Welcome back to the Best Life channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the oldest and most powerful health secrets known to humanity, milk kefir. If you're looking to boost your immunity, improve your digestion, and feel a constant surge of energy, the secret to natural health truly starts right here, in your gut. Kefir grains are not just a product. They are living organisms that grow and multiply. You can find them in specialized health stores, but the most authentic way is to receive them as a gift from a friend. Since they multiply naturally, they are often shared among the health-conscious community. Before we start the preparation, tell us in the comments which country are you watching from, and is kefir available in your local area? Let's help each other build a healthier world. Professional preparation matching your data. To brew professional-grade kefir at home, follow these exact steps. Place 1 tablespoon of kefir grains into a clean glass jar and add 2 cups of fresh milk. Using full-fat milk is recommended for the best texture. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth like cheesecloth and secure it. It is vital to place the jar in a completely dark place, as light can interfere with the beneficial bacteria's activity. The golden rule of timing. The most frequent question is about fermentation time. The golden rule depends entirely on your environment. During the winter and in colder weather, let it ferment for a full 24 hours. However, in the summer, the warmth accelerates the bacteria, so it requires much less time. Keep an eye on it. Once the consistency thickens, it's ready. Once ready, strain the mixture using a plastic strainer. Avoiding metal is preferred, to collect your powerful natural probiotic. The secret to this sustainable health project is to return the grains immediately into fresh milk to start tomorrow's batch. This way, your supply of probiotics never runs out. The ultimate immune boost. For a perfect immune boost and anti-inflammatory benefits, add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a dash of black pepper to your glass of kefir. The black pepper increases turmeric absorption by up to 2000%. Combined with the probiotics in kefir, this creates a powerful shield for your immune system. We wish you a wonderful journey toward better health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Best Life, for more secrets to a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching.